classes. Yes, students, what we have discussed in the last class? Yes, in the last class, you learned one beautiful concept and also it is a new concept to you, right? And this concept, it helps in your higher classes. So please concentrate about this, right? Before starting to our class, we will solve these two problems according to our previous concept, right? So it is about a method of long division, right? So come to the first problem. So in this problem, this 8 is the divisor and this 40 is a dividend, right? Here they already arranged in a division symbol, right? The first, so divisor, right? So here in the table of 8, how many 8s are equals to 40? See here in the table of 8 5s are 40, right? 8 5s are 40. So now I am writing this 5 above this line. So next you have to multiply these two numbers. 8 5s are 40, write down here. Okay. So next, what is the next step? So you have to subtract these two numbers. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So which is our quotient? So here this 5 is our quotient. So after that write down here 40 divided by 8 is equals to 5. So this is our answer. So come to the second problem. So here this 175, it is the dividend and this 5 is a divisor, right? Here first you have to take the number in 100 place. So this is a 1, right? See here, compared to these two numbers, this 5 is a bigger number compared to this 1, right? So it is too small. So now, so in this situation, you have to take the tens place also. See here, now I am taking 17, right? Yes. In the table of 5, is there 17? No, there is no 17. So what can we do? Yes. So my dear one, in this situation, you have to choose the number in the table of 5. So that number is very closest to this 17 and less than to this 17. Yes. See here in the table of 5, 5 3s are 15. Right? So but 5 4s are 20. So which number are you choose here? So here you have to choose the number 15 here. Okay, because it is smaller to 17 and it is very nearest to this number 17. Because already you learned the division is a repeated subtraction, right? So I am taking 5 3s are 15. So I am writing this 3 above this line and now you have to multiply these two numbers. 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. So next you have to subtract these two numbers. See here. 7 minus 5. So in 7 you have to subtract 5. So what you have left? You left 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. The next 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Right? So next come to the last number, that is 5. So now I am taking down this number because it is in ones place. See, after that write down this 5 here. Yes, in the table of 5, is it 25? Yes, in the table of 5, 5 5s are 25, right? See here. So look here, 5 5s are 25. So write down this 5 above this 5 because this 5 is in ones place. So next multiply these two numbers. 5 and 5. 5 5s are 25. So write down here 25. So next you have to subtract these two numbers. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So which is our quotient? 35 is our quotient. So write down here 175 divided by 5 is equals to 35. So my dear one, so this is about our previous class. So my dear one, and today's new concept is about remainder in division. Yes, in the last class already I told what is a remainder. So yes, what is remainder? Yes, remainder means after division what we have left, that is called a remainder. See here in this problem, this 0 is a remainder. After division we get this, right? And this is a less a number compared to a divisor. So students, all of you observe this activity. So students, I have 11 books, right? See, look here, this type of 11 books I have. So now I want to distribute this 11 books to these two children, right? See, look here what happened. See, now I am distributing these books to these two children equally. So after distribution, both the child will get 5 books each, right? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this child also got 5 books and the second boy, he also got a 5 books, right? So but after distribution also, I have one more book, right? So but in the total number of 11 books, I distributed 10 books, right? So both get 5 books each, right? I left with one book, right? So this type of number are called as a remainder. See, look here, the total number of books are 11, right? So now I am dividing or distributing among two students, right? So after distribution what happened? So both the child or both the students get 5 books each, right? So in this example, this 11 is called a dividend and 2 is a divisor and this 5 is a quotient. So I left with one book, right? So this one is called a remainder, right? So now the same number I will show on number line. Look here. So students look here, this is a number line, right? So see here, this is 11, right? So this 11 is a starting point. So here is 11, right? So this 2 indicates the number of steps. So here if you need to jump back till you reach 0 from 2 steps, right? See here it starts from 11, right? So 11 after 1, 2. This is the first jump. The next 9 after 1, 2. This is the second jump. Next 7 after 6, 5. So this is the third jump. The next 5 after 4, 3. So this is the fourth jump. The next 3 after 1, 2. So this is the fifth jump. And we need to jump back till you reach 0. But now we are at 1. So now we cannot take any more jumps of 2 steps at a time, right? Because here only one step is left. So this one is called a remainder. So in number line also we get 1 as a remainder, right? So my dear one, so now I will show another one example to you. So students, let us see another example. See, the first problem is 34 divided by 3. So in this given problem, this 34 is a dividend and 3 is a divisor, right? So first you have to arrange these numbers in a division symbol, right? So I am writing this 34 here. The next I am writing this divisor 3 outside of this symbol, right? So what is the next step? Yes, first you recite the table of 3, right? So in the table of 3, how many 3 is equals to the 3? Yes, 3 1 is 3, right? See here, 3 1 is 3. So I am writing this 1 above the 3. Means above this line, because this 3 is in tens place, right? So now you have to multiply these two numbers. 3 1 is 3. Write down here 3. So after that you have to subtract these two numbers. So keep the symbol of subtraction, that is minus. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So after that the next step is take this 4 downside. This 4 in front of this 0. Right? So next, once again in the table of 3. In the table of 3, is there 4? Yes, there is no 4 in the table of 3. See here, because 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. So 6 it is a bigger number compared to this 4. But 3 1 is 3. So this 3 is a smaller number compared to 4. So my dear students, in this situation, you have to choose the number in the table, and that number it is very closest to this number, and it is less than to 4. Right? So in this two number, I am taking 3 1 is 3. We cannot subtract the 6 from 4. Right? So I am not taking this 3 2s are 6. So I am taking 3 1 is 3. So I am writing this one again here. Right? The next, multiply these two numbers. 3 1 is 3. So next step is subtract these two numbers. So 4 minus 3. Yes, in number 4 you have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left? See, only one finger is left. See here, 4 minus 3 is 1. Yes. So next, is there any number after 4? No, because this 4 it is in ones place. That is the last number. Right? So now you have to compare these two numbers, 3 and 1. This 3 is greater than this one. Right? And this one, it is a smaller than this 3. Right? So now the division is over. So which is the quotient in this problem? So this 11 is the quotient. So what is the remainder? Here the 1 is the remainder here. Right? So students, look here, in this given problem, this 3 is called a divisor, and this 11, the obtained answer in division, that is a quotient, and this 34 is a dividend, and this 1 after division we left over the number, that is called a remainder. Right? So students, come to the next problem. It is 245 divided by 3. So in this given problem, 245 it is a dividend, and this 3 is a divisor. Right? So next, what is this next step? So here you have to start divide from our left to right, means from 100 place after tens, tens after ones. So first thing, the 100 place number, that is 2. Yes, compared to this 3, this 2 is a small number, right? See here, 3 it is greater than 2. Right? This 3 is a bigger number compared to this 2. So now, what can we do? We can take the tens place also. See, now it is 24. Right? Yes, in the table of 3, is there 24? Yes, we have 24, right? So in the table of 3, how many 3's are equals to 24? Yes, 3 8's are 24. So write down this 8 above this 28. Right? So next, you have to multiply these two numbers. 3 8's are 24. Right? So write down here 24. You have to subtract these two numbers. So 4 minus 4, it is 0. 2 minus 2, it is 0. So next step is bring this 5 downside. So write this 5 in front of this 0. Right? Yes, in the table of 3, is there 5? There is no 5. Right? So what can we do? Yes, you have to search or choose a number that is nearest to this 5 or less than this 5. Yes, so 3 1 is 3. The next 3 2's are 6. Right? So look here, this 3 it is a smaller number compared to this 5. But this 6 it is a bigger number. So now you don't choose this. You have to choose 3 1 is 3. Yes, write down this 1 above this 5. 3 1 is 3. So next step is you have to subtract it. See here, 5 minus 3. See here, in 5 you have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left? See, 1, 2 fingers are left, right? So write down here 2. So now division is over. So after this you have to write down which is the quotient and which is the remainder. So students, look here, in this problem this 2 is a remainder and this quotient, this is a quotient, right? So write down here 81, this is a quotient and this is a remainder 2, right? So now I will move to the third problem. It is 485 divided by 4. So in this problem, this 485, it is a dividend and this 4 is a divisor, right? So next, what is the next step? So first you have to divide the number in 100 place. See, this 4, it is in the place of hundreds, right? Yes, in the table of 4, is there 4? Yes, 4 1 is 4, right? So write the 1 above this 4. So now multiply these two numbers. So 4 1 is 4. Write down here 4. So next you have to subtract these two numbers. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Right? So next bring this 8 downside and write this 8 in front of this 0. Right? So now once again in the table of 4, is there 8? Yes. 4 2s are 8, right? See here. 4 2s are 8. Okay. So write this 2 above this 8 because this 8 is in tens place, right? So now multiply these two numbers. 4 2s are 8. Okay. So next subtract these two numbers. 8 minus 8, it is 0, right? What is the next step? So now bring this 5 downside. Okay. So and write this 5 in front of this 0. Okay. Once again in the table of 4, is there 5? Yes, in the table of 4 there is no 5. See here. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. So this 8 is a bigger number compared to this 5. But this 4 is a smaller number. So now we have to choose 4 1 is 4. And don't choose this 4 2s are 8. Okay. So write this 1 above this 5. So now 4 into 1. 4 1 is 4. So now subtract these two numbers. So 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Right? So write down here 1. So in this problem, which is the quotient? So 121 is the quotient and this 1 is a remainder. Right? See here. Remainder is 1 and the quotient is 121. Right? So now I will move to the one more problem. So students, come to the last problem. See here in this given problem, this 150 is it is a dividend and this 5 is a divisor. Right? You have to start divide the numbers from hundreds. See, in the place of 100, only 1 is there. Right? So compared to the divisor, means compared to the 5, so 1 it is a small number compared to this 5. Right? So now I can take this tens place also. So now it is 15. Right? Yes, in the table of 5, is there 15? Yes. See here, 5 3s are 15. Right? So now I am writing this 3 above this 15. Right? So 5 3s are 15. Write here 15. So next you have to subtract these two numbers. See here, 5 minus 5, it is 0. 1 minus 1, it is 0. So next, what is the next step? So next, you have to bring down the number 0 here. See here, I am taking this 0 downside. Yes, is there 0 in the table of 5? Yes, see here, 5 into 0 is equals to what? Yes, 5 into 0 is 0. It is also a property of multiplication, right? Any number multiplied with 0, we get 0 as the answer or a product, right? So here 5 into 0, it is 0, right? So I am writing 0 here. 5 into 0, 0. Right? So now once again you have to subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. So in this problem, which is the quotient, so 30 is the quotient and here we get 0 as a remainder. Right? So students, after this I will move to the textbook activity. So this is in the page number 109 in your textbook. See here, this is an exercise number 3.7. I am reading the headline. Find the quotient and remainder. So students, in this given exercise, the total number of problems are 6, right? So I will show the first and second problem. So the remaining 4 problems you have to solve in your home, right? So come to the first problem. So this is 82 divided by 2. So in this given problem, this 82 it is a dividend and 2 is a divisor, right? So next step is I have to start divide the number from tens place. See here, this 8 is in tens place, right? Yes, in the table of 2, how many 2's are equals to 8? Yes, 2 4's are equals to 8. So now I am writing this 4 above this 8, right? So now multiply these two numbers. 4 in 2 into 4. 2 4's are 8. So write down this 8 here. So next step is you have to subtract these two numbers. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Right? So next bring this 2 downside and write the in front of this 0. Right? Yes, in the table of 2, is there 2? Yes, in the table of 2, 2 1 is 2. Right? So I am writing the 1 above this 2. So now 2 1 is 2. Now again once again you have to subtract these two numbers. 2 minus 2 it is 0. Right? So in this problem, which is the remainder? 0 is the remainder. Which is the quotient? This 41 is the quotient. So students, after finishing this problem, so write down the quotient. So it is 41. Right? So next, remainder is 0. Write down here 0. So now I will move to the next problem. It is 69 divided by 3. Right? So this 69 is a dividend and 3 is a divisor. Right? Yes. In the table of 3, is there 6? Yes, we have 6. See here, 3 2's are 6. Right? So I am writing this 2 above this 6. So now 3 into 2. 3 2's are 6. Okay. The next you have to subtract it. So 6 minus 6 is 0. The next bring this 9 downside. Okay. And write in front of this 0. Okay. So next step is, yes, in table of 3, is there 9? Yes, we have 9. See here, 3 3's are 9. Right? So write this 3 above this 9. Right? Now 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. Next, once again, you have to subtract these two numbers. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Right? So students, which is the quotient here? This 23 is a quotient and 0 is a remainder. The quotient is 23. The remainder is 0. So after solving every problem, so you have to write down like this. Okay? So you have to solve the remaining 4 problems in your home. Right? So now I will give homework to you. So write down. So students, so this is your homework. So here you have to find out the quotient and remainder by using a method of long division. Right? Yes, students, so in this class you learn a new concept, that is a remainder in division. Right? So in the next class I will teach you a word problems. Okay students? You have to solve the remaining problems in the exercise number 3.7 along with these problems. Right? Okay students? Bye.